So when you excite them like that, with say a ruler or a fire or something, they expand rapidly. So cool stuff happens. We'll come back here. We're going to try back here. Woo! Woo!
Get her done.
Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. I have an idea.
Alright. Okay, since they haven't been exploring all morning, don't get kicked. And they're supposed to explode in one big boom, but they aren't today. They're not drying out well. I'm not sure why.
Basically, the heat just reacts so much. It makes them react much slower. Here, they kind of they just smoke. But it's all it is gas expanding, so it's not really that amazing.
And it's actually iodine gas, which is kind of toxic. That's why we've got it in the vent hood.
But it tastes so good.
Yeah.
It actually was good.
Because they're not exploding. Move the point. Standing here. Yeah.
That's brilliant.
It'll just smoke for a long time. Good, there you go. There we go.
That was great.